It is difficult to imagine a day without our mobile phones, right? Right from attending work calls to online classes, mobile phones have become an integral part of our lives. Sometimes they can take a toll on us, leading to addiction. Is there a way to reduce mobile phone addiction? Yes. Keep watching to know more. Digital detox. A digital detox is when you stop using your mobile phones and gadgets for a definite period of time. People who have taken a digital detox have reported to feel fresh and energized, leading to health and well-being. Don't use mobile phone while in bed. Our day starts with mobile phones and ends with mobile phones. The blue light emitted from mobile phones can damage our sleep hormones. Don't use mobile phones while having meals. Having meals at the dining table is an apt time to interact with family members and have conversations. This is a time when you must concentrate on your eating and not on your phone. Use apps to learn self-control. Using apps to regulate your mobile usage can be a useful option. Apps like Screen Time, Moment, Forest and Space can help you regulate mobile phone usage. Start slow. It might seem difficult, but by starting slow and gradually increasing efforts, you can gradually reduce mobile phone addiction. Reducing mobile phone usage can help in building a healthy tomorrow. Let us take the first step towards reducing mobile phone addiction. Do you know any interesting ways to reduce mobile phone addiction? Let us know in the comment section.